Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about A-B testing within Matomo Analytics. So I already made some video about it, but this time it's about one way that I have not yet played with, which is about creating a dedicated page in comparison to an existing one in order to redirect the traffic to this one and not the other one, or let's say the other one and not this one. So A/B testing, it's kind of straightforward. All you need to do is to have your plugin set on. Once it's on, so once you purchase, once you get the license, once you use it within the cloud, and just go over here within the definition. For the sake of this example, what I will do is I'm going to play over here. So this is one of the forms that I have on my website. As you can see, it's a form which is composed of 1, 2, 3 fields. And what I decided to test is maybe people will be more interested in having a form which is even lighter than this one. So what I did is I went within WordPress. That's, I guess, all of you guys know. And what I did is I created a form which is called simple form, which is yeah, this one. It's called really simple form. So what I did is just I created a basic form. I just copy and paste the stuff that I did over here, and that's the simple form that I created. So as you can see here, it's a sentence saying that this is the easiest form ever. It's just composed of two forms. So here I'm taking the bet that if I fight this page against this one, I will probably get more results from this given page rather than this one. Okay, so this one is just composed of two fields, this one is just composed of three fields. Okay, so once you create this page, which as you can see is exactly the same template as the other ones, just that it has a dedicated URL, what you need to do is that you need to copy and paste this new page that you have. So as you can see, it's kind of straightforward. And what you do is that when you create your A/B test over here, you're gonna go for redirects here, and you copy and paste the page that you created. Okay, the new version. Okay, in my case, that's the one about the simple form. And that's it. I mean, next part is about embedding the tracking code, and Matomo has done everything for you. So Matomo here just change the variation page and just put the redirect stuff. So you just need, in fact, to take this piece of code and copy it within your tag manager. So next step is just about going within the tag manager to create a custom HTML tag, and within this custom HTML tag, you just name it A/B test. So that's it. So I just call it A/B test. I just copy and paste the same code that you were seeing before, and now you just need to decide what is the condition. So in my case, it's when they reach the page name contact me. So this page, so to say, every time that people will go on this given page, what's gonna happen is that the 50% of the people will be on this page, and the other 50% will go on the other one. In order to confirm that everything is working fine, I just need to publish. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to publish the whole thing. So version 38, because I'm working a lot. And I'm just going to disable the preview. And normally, if I'm lucky enough, we should see different things. So just going to remove this cursor because we don't need it. So I'm going to go on this with this browser on the contact me page. As you can see, I'm getting the A version of my test. And if I go on, for example, on Chromium, and that I access to this given page over here, as you can see, just gonna refresh again the page. Oh yeah, okay, that's it. And here, as you can see, this one is entering within the other test. So normally if I do it back, okay, this is interesting. What you can see here is what Matomo is describing as the flickering. So this tiny period of time in which you will see the old version if you are using, let's say, the lazy way, so to say, you are using the tag manager without embedding another script on your page in order to delay this kind of change. But here, what we can see is that it's working. The only thing is just a bit annoying because we get this delay in which we can clearly see the old versions coming through. But this can be erased by adding another piece of code on your website in order to say, okay, please wait for the tag manager to be loaded before sending the B version here. Okay, let's look at Matomo Analytics. How does it look like in terms of data? I'm gonna go on my .a4 version, which is over here. And yep, over here we are getting our visit log. So here, as you can see, we are seeing the people which are entering within the different variation. And I guess I should see, well, probably the other one coming through later on. But this is how it works. In fact, it's every time that you have someone who is visiting your page, it's getting within the variation or it's getting within the original one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.